In this guide, I'll show you how to update your Nintendo Switch 2 in recovery mode. So the first thing you want to do is press and hold the power button on the top of your Switch 2, and then once the power options show up, you can select it, and we're going to go to power off. Now what you want to do is press and hold the up volume button and the down volume button at the same time, and then tap the power button once while continuing to hold these buttons. So as you're holding these buttons, you're going to see that your Switch 2 is going to boot up. Just continue to hold them until you get into recovery mode. So once you're here, you'll see the option to update your system as well as your system's current version. So you can select it here, and then it's going to check for system updates. Now, once it shows whether or not you can get an update, it'll just do it automatically. So here you can see my system's up to date. And once you're finished with updating your system, you can simply tap the power button once and it'll shut off your console. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.